Hi guys!
Hi!
So, I want to know what you have been doing in your life, what you have seen, what you have visited. So, let's play a little game. Can you show what we've done just before? Look, with them, we've done those little panels, little signs. With one side, I have, the other, I have never. We're going to use them in this game. I'm going to ask one question. Have you ever done an activity? If yes, you say, you show that I have. I have.
I have.
Okay. If not, I have never.
I have never.
Okay, let's start. Ready? Listen. You two. Have you ever eaten an insect? I have eaten an insect, or I have never eaten an insect. Lena.
I have eaten an insect.
I have eaten an insect.
Okay. Nice. Okay. Next question. You two, have you ever been to the moon? Have you ever been to the moon?
I have never been to the moon.
Nice.
I have never been to the moon.
Okay, good. Yeah, we're surprising. Now, one of you wants to ask a question? Jan? Okay. Can I ask a question?
Can I ask a question?
Please.
Okay.
Very nice. I'll take that. I'm going to answer too. Okay. That's it. Yep. So you say.
Have you ever been to Africa?
Oh,
I have never been to Africa.
I have been to Africa. Thank you, Jan. So, very simple game, very fun. Depending on the groups, you can change the questions, be very specific or very crazy, and see. Thank you!